heading up to Rancho to meet up with everybody. Someone's coming out, or Casper's coming out from Seattle, Washington. I never met him, but really clean build he has. And yeah, Asco and just for fun decided to host a little pop-up meet for him since he's out of town, and just want to show him all the whips. So we're gonna head up there right now. Me and my brother are about to leave the house. I'm just warming up my car because yeah, I'm just warming it up. So I'll show you guys all the cars when we get there, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. This exhaust is pretty loud. My brother's behind me, but
the fact that it's owned since '93.
Actually,
that you're the best detail. I'm just saying, you never know. Look, Carlos, I'm making a video. Hi.
He needs to get a smog machine.
Get a smog? But it's a Viper though, you don't need to smog it. Just kidding.
I had just got rid of my hatch. I was like, you know, what are you doing with things that you're not supposed to do? Yeah. And that car.
Oh. Seats for sale, 300. R&Rs. And Carlos's hatch. Cause your baller ass T37s that cost $5 grand.
You know what I'm saying? Motherfucking Tundra on T37.
Dude, that fucking baller though.
why does it smell like weed?
Why does it smell like weed? Cause you smoke weed.
No, I don't.
Don't lie. Hi.
Can I look? Rip at this?
Oh yeah. Oh, I can't be. I know this guy. I'm sorry.
I know.
Walk away from it. Yeah, Mr. Fast VTech Club. Oh, this is the wrong car. That was Javier's.
Oh. Hello Fresh Fender.
Yeah.
Hey, check this out.
Dude, it's been a while since I've seen the JHP stickers. What? What's this? Are we talking shit on my videos now? What happened here?
I don't know. I don't know what happened.
Is the sticker centered at least? Okay, it is.
No, it is crooked. It's right. It
Dude, look at the fucking plate.
We're talking shit.
One lower bolt.
Yeah, one.
Good.
Hi.
Hi, Mr. Famous.
Not even. Dude, I thought this was your car, but it's not your car.
Yeah, it's a lot
I have your
cleaner.
harness.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
What? Yours is cleaner.
No, it's not.
Look, dude, look at this.
Bro, okay, don't even get
Yo, look at this.
Okay, with the bumper.
No. Yeah, that's my old one. And then Justin bought it then.
Damn, my bad. He needs a 6 point now, huh? A 5 point? He's too fast. It's too fast.
Not even.
Yes. Psych.
You ever pick that issue with the
Yeah, I trimmed the vent and then I just ran out of shots. Yeah, I just taped it on.
Ooh. Look at this badass. No, I can't talk shit about this NSX. It's an NSX. You can't talk shit about NSXs. Or
Spoons are these?
yeah, what kind of spoons are these?
God damn!
Look, there's a fucking curb rash right here.
Oh man.
Yeah,
dude,
man.
Look at that curb rash. I've never
Look.
curbed it. Right there, you don't see it? No.
Look.
Right there. Never.
Oh, my bad, dude.
Good,
My bad,
buddy.
my bad.
Yeah.
My bad.
Sorry. There's no curb rash on that bitch.
There's a curb rash right here. Don't listen to them. You're drunk. Stop drinking.
There's several.
He's drunk. Look, he's drinking. Oh wait, I don't think I should even post that. Where's Justin?
There's several. They just keep them in the garage. They're not driving.
Hey, is this your new car, John?
Huh?
New car, daily.
What?
Oh, what the fuck happened? These are for sale.
These are?
Yeah.
Where do they buy them?
1,400.
Are they 100?
Yeah. Wait. I'm just kidding. I don't know. Dude, this is sick. Look at this, man. MR5s. What are you looking at, dude? You don't have money for that.
I do.
I know. You do. No. Hi.
Oh, you doing content?
No. This is just for my leisurely pleasure, you know. When I'm at home, I just want to look at you. What's that RSX? What's going on, dude? And our 10s, really clean.
Yeah, my first car ever. And then I got a DC, totaled it, then bought another V8. And then I kept breaking again, so I said, fuck this. Yeah, right?
There's proof now.
Modelo time. What is that?
Dude, this camera zooms so fucking slow. What is that?
Can I see it?
It's a stout. You ever seen one before?
It won't.
You ever seen one
Yeah.
before, Tommy?
It won't focus.
Is that Type R?
No, it's you. Dude, this shit's fucking clean. Whose car is this? Carlos, is this your new car?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. So you went from a white one to a red one?
Correct. Milano. It looks like Milano.
Dude, this thing is fucking nice. Dude, this shit broke my neck when it came in. Third brake light? You see the third brake light?
Yeah, Turbo GSR.
I know that's the real deal right there.
Real deal, Bill. Come on. Hell yeah, slap that belly. Slap it, rub the nipples, rub them. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Where did KJ come in?
Yeah.
Alright.
Got some chips.
You seen this? R33 wheels?
Really?
Yeah, R33 GTR wheels. Or Skyline wheels.
It's the same as like pattern?
Yeah, 5114. What? Yeah, go ahead. The door's open. If you fit. Oh, he's here. Hey, park next to this guy. Dude, this is fucking clean, dude. Yeah. Like, it's pretty clean. I got the fog lights too. Hey, it's Ron's twin, but it's a 4-door.
Oh, never mind. There's no parking.
Woo! Hella. Like you. Maybe 2 RG1s. Really cool. James' new project. Fuck, that looks so good. You're on JD Mills. Oh, it's good.